Festo Z in Egbedion.
So make you tell our viewers what you do into.
Okay, I do into different interior and exterior design. I do POP, I do screeding, I do stucco paint, stamping floor, and I'm also painting.
Okay, so this particular site on this one, which work you say make we can check?
Okay, now me do the stamping floor here, and I also do the Tyrolene.
Okay, so now 2 work now you do here.
Yes, Tyrolene and the stamping floor.
Stamping floor and the Tyrolene. Okay, so what you will tell our viewers when they patronize you through this platform?
All the people give me work.
This particular work.
May God bless you all in Jesus' name.
So our viewers all over the world, we join our brother say thank you. So which one you want me to start from? Because you say now 2 work now you do for you.
You first of all start with the Tyrolene first.
Okay.
Tyrolene first, Tyrolene.
Okay, now the Tyrolene I be this one. Make you come here, make our viewers they see the things when they here. So now you just go like this with all this beautiful design. So which in the inside this Tyrolene?
Okay, we use sand and cement. Now we use for here, and I send different design to the woman. This among the design when I send to the woman, this is what you choose. It's exactly what you choose. That's what we do for her. Wow. And exactly, and you can see for here. So all this line now masking tape. Now we bring out the design.
All this one now design I come out for here. Okay, so make we just take around, make our viewers they see the Tyrolene when you do for this particular place. Nice to be all these ones. So say the thing fine not be small. So this particular Tyrolene when you do for here now. Now how many bags of cement you use?
Okay, I use about 20 bags.
20 bags of cement for the full compound.
Yes.
Okay, so how many trip of sand?
I use one single trip of sand.
Okay, the one trip of sand that you make use of for this particular Tyrolene.
Depends on the compound. It can be more than that.
Okay, so make we face the one when people really know you for right from time before the Tyrolene. Yes. So which is this one.
Yes.
Okay, so make you tell us about this one.
Okay, this is a stamping floor, and we have 2 design here. This is a panel. What I'm standing on is called panel. So this one is a Versace. Okay. So it's the woman that chooses this for Versace, and they want me to use this color for you, which is a gold color. So as you can see now, the woman choose smaller one, but I choose to give her the best and the bigger one. Okay. This is the biggest Versace so far. So as you can see.
Now this gold one with the see so now the woman I choose them. I better make your AirPods silent that phone again. AirPods put on for silent. Okay, so make we continue the work. Now build this one like this.
Yes.
You see this one, it fine not be small. So now another Versace see be this one.
Yes. Now 4 Versace I do.
Okay, now 4 Versace and I did this particular compound. Okay. I could check on the go small. So make you come here, make you see from here, show our viewers.
Okay.
Let us see the way the work be from this angle. Even me looking at it, we'll see say the thing slope. And you know if you water is frame for.
Yes, sir.
And this one now another side, the back of it. Okay, and the side and with this one. Sugar, make you come here, make us see from here, show them. Make us see the way when it be. And the work has to be this one. Sugar, you get questions when we need to ask. All this line like this. Now, what will be the work when they do?
Okay, this one a border, you know. It's even from the main panel. What I'm standing on, I be the panel.
Okay, this very one, I be panel.
And I be the panel. Different people they call a different name.
Okay.
But what do they call a panel? You know. So this one a border. You see these two lines and if water don't fit follow here, water can follow these two lines. You know, to come out, and they have more beauty to it. You know. So if this is not there, this border not there, the beauty not fit come out. Okay. So. And you can see now it separate the colors from the black from the gold.
So this very line, which is the border, now you see they make demarcation the day when you feel know the one when you want give different color. So okay, which one be this one?
Okay, this one there's soak away. That is, we want to know that is where they put this chamber, you know. So that's what we are seeing here now. So we put this, put another design for here with another color in case somebody want to rectify it in future to come, you know. Years later.
You will know where the thing is.
Yeah, you know where it is. So now we'll use different color for it.
Okay. So, okay. Make you come here, make our viewers see your face. We don't see the work when you do for this particular place. So, if our viewer need you, may come work for other part of the country, especially the west, or your Osun, Ekiti, Ondo, Ogun State, when we do so, Lagos and Kwara. If you go there, go work.
They are available anytime, any day.
Okay. So, this work, we see say the work they very neat, and we get the belief say the owner will appreciate them.
Over appreciate them.
Okay. So if you they tell us now the owner buy the material.
And I make carry as contract both material and labor.
Okay, now you carry as contract both material and labor. So if you they tell us how many bags of cement enter this particular land.
Okay, I use about 160 bags for here. 160
bags. Then the sand and granite.
For the sand and granite, I carry two. That is a 4-in-1, which is a channel timber 4-in-1. That's what I use here. Then for the granite, about 25 tons of half inches granite.
Okay, 25 tons of granite. Then why the sand channel truck 2 now you carry. Okay. So you feel see they tell our viewers the amount when this particular contract carry, how much you take carry on.
Okay. Both the material and labor, everything was 7.5 million.
7.5 million. So how many square meter when they yoga?
Now that's around 400 exactly.
400 square meter. So if our viewers tell you say, okay, I go buy all the materials, make you only take your labor. So how much you will charge per square meter?
Okay. If the owners he want buy material, we'll share them. he will buy part of the material, the local material, or buy the foreign material. So both the material we buy and the labor is 8,000 naira per square meter.
8,000 naira per square meter. Okay, depend on the square meter when you come there, you will take multiply
that is the thing.
Your work. Okay. So the money what we talk about, is it follow this Tyrolene?
No, the money for Tyrolene is different.
It's different. So how much be this Tyrolene when you say you carry for you?
Okay, both the Tyrolene and everything was about I carry it around 1.2.
Okay, for only the Tyrolene when you take designer. But now you see buy all the materials?
Yes, I do one. But I still carry the contract.
Now you see carry the contract. Okay. So Oga, make you give us your contact in case our viewers they want to reach out to you.
Okay. My phone number now 070-511-09801.
Again?
070-511-09801. Another one 070-531-99603.
Okay, so our viewers all over the world, we thank you now for the time when I take the watch our videos and the motivation when they give us. We say thank you all and God bless. Another one today?
Outside.
Okay. This particular place. Burger, you not paint here?
No, we just here now just to protect this one so that if may rain and erosion non spoil, I mean okay. Not spoil. That's why we
don't spoil this one.
That's why we put this in here.